Here's how you can use the new feature from Meta, which is Meta AI, to create the content for your first digital product, which can be an ebook or an online course. So go to your search bar right here on Facebook. You can tap Meta AI, which I did, right? And this is the message I got. Hello, I'm Meta, blah, 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 and this and that. All right, now we want to use Meta AI and ask it for books outline so we can learn to create a book outline. Now I'm going over to my messenger, and this is it, Meta AI. Now this is the message that has been told to me. Okay, now what do you want to ask? Remember, in this video I want to show you how you can use Meta AI to generate or create your book outline that you can create your first digital product. So I'm going to click here and write create a book outline on. Now let's choose the topic. What do we want to write about? Create a book outline on Facebook advertising. Let's say we want to write a book on Facebook advertising. Let's see what Meta is going to give to us. I'll click on go. Wow, can you see this? Can you see how it's generating for us? Guys, can you see this? Now let's go to the top. Here is the book outline on Facebook advertising. Title, even give us a title. Mastering Facebook Advertising, a comprehensive guide. This is awesome. Now I have the introduction. Now this is a brief overview of Facebook importance before you now go to chapter 1, setting up for success. Now, when you're writing your ebook, after your introduction, your overview, your importance, chapter 1 says setting up for success. And it also gave you the outline for your chapter 1. Now, as a digital creator, it is now up to you to fleshing out your chapters one by one. Look at chapter 2, understanding your audience. It has given you pointers where you can create more content for your ebook. Now you can price this ebook at 5,000 naira, 6,000 naira, 7,000 naira, and thereabout. Okay, you have to fleshing it out, because by now I believe you already have an idea of Facebook advertising for you to want to create a book on Facebook advertising. You can use this method to create an ebook on anything. It can be cooking, it can be dressing, it can be a travel guide or whatever. Okay, now let me show you how you can fleshing out the chapter 1. So I'm going to ask my AI again. Can you expatiate on chapter 1? Chapter 1 says setting up for success. So I will say creating a Facebook ad account. Can you list the steps that is needed to create a Facebook ad account? Now I am going under chapter 1, right? Now remember, AI will already give you the pointers, right? You are going to fleshing it out. Now this is chapter 1. I'm going to click on this. Now I will do this for the individual chapters. Okay, I will do this. Now here's the best part. You can even use this to create an online course. Okay, because some content require videos, right? Now this is what we have under chapter 1, the first item. Here are the steps to create a Facebook ads account. Step 1, create a Facebook account. Go to Step 2, create a Facebook page. Go to Can you see this? Step 3, access Facebook ad manager. Now, even you that do not know anything about creating a Facebook ad account, you can use this step to create yours. You can use this step to create your own Facebook ad account. Can you see how beautiful this is? So whether you are a digital creator that is trying to create an online course or an ebook on Facebook, on creating a Facebook ad account or whatever, right? Our ebook title was on Facebook advertising, right? And our Meta AI has given us all these pointers, everything. And I said again, you can use this idea to create your online course, to structure your online course, just like this. Look at your chapter 2. Look at your chapter 3. Art creative and copywriting. Chapter 4. Campaign setup and all that. You have up to chapter 7. Sorry, chapter 8. Managing budget. Scaling your budget. Like if you are a novice, you are a newbie, and you want to learn how to create and run Facebook ads, you can use your Meta AI to get all this information and you are good to go, right? Just make sure that when you get your outline, you take the first chapter, you come and ask your Meta AI again, right? It's going to take you step by step. Now you are going to fleshing all these steps out. Can you see? You can use a video and create an online course with this knowledge, or you can create an ebook on a guide with the pictures, right? And all that. So I'm going to like this, right? To show that, yes, this is really great. Okay. Now, this is how you can use Meta AI to create your ebook outline, your ebook content, and publish your ebook. Now, check this video right here, okay, on the screen. You are going to be able to use this content here, copy it to your notes app on your phone, and copy it to Canva. Then you create your ebook, okay? So you might want to watch this video right here, okay? Now, if you have any question, if you want me to just create a short ebook like under 5 to 10 minutes using Meta AI, let me know in the comment section, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create from beginning to end. I'm just going to create from beginning to end. I'll use one topic, okay, and create an ebook. Then you are going to go and watch this video on the screen here. You are going to watch this video and see how you can copy and paste all the content onto your phone notes app, then copy and paste it on Canva, where you can get your ebook. Before 24 hours in a day, your first digital product is ready. Your first ebook is ready. So I want to hear from you in the comment section. Just choose a topic that I'm going to create on. All right. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.